What if I told you that a page posting animals getting haircuts just hit 300,000 followers, and some of their videos are pulling in millions of views? This niche is exploding right now, and in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method to make these videos yourself, for free. Here's one I made in under 5 minutes. Look at that. That's the kind of clip that stops someone dead in their scroll. And I'm going to walk you through every single step to make it yourself right now. Step 1. Generate your prompts. First, head over to ChatGPT. In the left sidebar, click Explore GPTs and search for Animal Haircut Generator. Use mine. The link is in the description below. But if you want me to send it to you directly, then comment "Send" and I will send it to you. Hit Start Chat, then click to launch the generator. It'll ask you to pick an animal and a hairstyle. I went with a tiger and mullet. Classic. Give it a few seconds to load, and it's going to spit out 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. That's your entire creative brief. Done. Step 2. Create your images. Now copy that first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Click on New Project. Paste your prompt here. And then choose the aspect ratio. Choose 9:16, because we are doing this for shorts or TikTok videos. Then click Enter. Within a short while, your image will be ready. Copy the second image prompt and paste it here. Click on Generate to generate the second image. And just like that, your images are generated using a free AI tool. If you're finding this helpful, drop a like. It genuinely helps more people find this video. Step 3. Turn images into video. Now for the magic. Click here and change this to video. Choose 9:16, cause that is the aspect ratio we have been using. Click this start frame and choose the image you created first, and then click on the end frame and choose the last image you created. Go back to the GPT one more time, copy the video prompt, and paste it here. Give it a few seconds, and then our video will be ready. Let's watch it together. That's it. You just made a viral-ready AI video in under 5 minutes. Full workflow, free AI tools, no design experience needed. Here are a few more I made using this exact method. Different animals, different haircuts. Same ridiculous scroll-stopping energy. The formula works every time. All the links, the GPT, Flow AI, everything, are in the description below. But if you want me to send it directly to you, then comment "link" and I will send it directly to you. Now, if you want to see the other viral AI niches I've been testing, some of them are even bigger than this one, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you there.